Today we're going to take a look at how you set up your own corporate communication system cross-platform widget. It's very, very simple. Will have to log in and fill in a couple of blank spaces to create the widget, but it's very simple. I'm going to walk you through it right now. The first thing you're going to get is an email, and the email is going to say that an account has been created for you at the system. You'll need the following access to your account. Please keep this in a safe place. You'll get your username and a predetermined password. Then you will get a link, and when you click on that link, it will actually take you to your own back room of your cross-platform widget. So let's take a look. Once you click on the link that you received in the email to access your account, you're going to wind up on the sign-in page, and there you're going to enter your username and your password as it appeared in the email. And simply click on Login. And it's going to take you to your dashboard, which it always does. And if you recall, if you looked at the tutorials on signing in, it's a very, very simple procedure. It shows here any upcoming, in other words, scheduled posts. You may not have any, as we don't have any here, so you won't see any. And it also will show you, if you click on the Publish tab, it'll show you your published content, but of course, this is a new widget, so you wouldn't expect to see any content in here. So once you log in and you notice what's upcoming, if anything, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the drop down right here under where it says Dashboard and look for Account. That's going to take you to your account page, and on your account page there's some basic things you want to fill out. 3 of the windows, the subdomain name, do not change that. The basic information, the client's name, whoever that is, and of course that's already pre-filled out for you. And the last thing is the email address, which is also filled out for you over here. The first thing you want to fill out is the short version of the name. This is actually only used if for some reason a template you're sending doesn't have a lot of room to put your full name in. This is the name that'll appear, so pick something that you're comfortable with that the end user would see. A lot of times it's simply your first name or your initials or an abbreviation of your business name. Then you want to enter in your business name. Then you want to enter in the phone number. Now remember, this is the phone number that will pop up on their computer screen if they click on the little icon for the telephone that's built into your cross-platform widget. If you have a fax number, of course, fill that in. If you don't, leave it blank. Next thing you need to put in is your address, your city, your state or province, and probably by the time you get yours, this province will be filled in as a choice. And not only zip, but postal code will also appear, as that's our latest update. And if you have a website, you want to place in the URL for your website, including the http://. When you're done, you just want to make sure that you have on the upper right here the delivery method checked as a desktop widget so that it's sending out content through the widget. And then you're simply going to hit the Save button. You'll get a little message up top that just was erased that said it was successfully set up. It only is there for a second. And then you want to go now to the dashboard, and you're going to drop down to the widget itself. Now here is the widget, and you'll notice on this one the short name is automatically filled in, but you could change that at any time. So the first thing you want to decide is you want to decide what you want to appear. So it'll come from your name and the name of your clinic or the name of your business. This is Dr. Jill's, and you could see here she's the Wellness Partnership. You could see that there. So after you get in your main heading and your short address subtitle, which is the name of your clinic, next we come down to the search configuration. It's automatically set for Google, so it'll put a Google search box down here right in the widget when they get it. We can customize that if you have your own website that's set up for search. We can put that right in there for you. You'll just let us know, and we will make it so that when they type in a search word, it goes to your website. If you're one of the system clients, that the default will be the doctor's resource. But again, any search that you want, please let us know and we'll put that right in there for you. The next thing you need to decide is the theme. You're looking at brushed steel, but here is what we call tan granite. So it changes the outside body that you're seeing here. If you go back to brushed steel, you could see that it goes to a nice brushed steel. The color choices are down here. This is magenta. Green, of course, it's changing the panel here. You can see on the right. If you go with orange, there's the orange. And if you go with sky, it's a sky blue, sort of a turquoise. Going back to the tan granite, the choices are mauve, which you can see right now, teal, toffee, and blue. So you could actually choose which ones you want and you can make that decision. I'm going to go here with the brushed steel and I'm going with the magenta. Remember, it could always be changed. And then the next thing you simply do is click the save button. And there is what you will see. Now, no, there's no content in here. We're going to set that up next, and you pretty much know how to do that if you followed the tutorials. You could just go in and create your content. And I would create first a welcome message before you send it out to your end user, the client, before they put it on the desktop. So when it pops up for the first time, they get a welcome message from you. So now your widget's created, and before you send it out to your end user, the client, you want to actually create the initial content. We're going to show you how to do that fast. First thing you want to do is go down to the drop-down window again. You're going to go to content. Since you already do not have any content on the published side, you do not have any content on the upcoming side, we're going to add a message. We're going to title that first one a welcome. We're going to make it a text document. There's not going to be a URL. It's unnecessary because it's only a basic welcome message. And then we simply typed in congratulations. This is Doctor, your name, of course, and you have successfully installed, and this is for patients. If you're in the health business, if you are in a software business or a coaching business, whatever it might be, you want to make a message obviously appropriate for your audience. So this is Dr. Philo, and you have successfully installed your VIP Wellness Assistant to give you greater access to me and my office. This means you get the appointments most convenient for you, quick answers to any health question you and your family have, the ability to search our doctor resource on just about any health subject, some healthy tips to keep you going, and we'll even throw in a little motivation from time to time. I look forward to helping you achieve all your health goals. Yours in health, Dr. Philo. The next thing you're going to do is make sure that you select Publish. You check off the desktop widget as we always do, and then you're simply going to click the Save button. That message was successfully updated, and there it is. It just popped up, and that's it. This way, when you create your cross-platform widget and you send out the invitation to your database, it'll pop right up with a welcome message from you.